Audit planning. What is the purpose of audit planning? You passed me the audit file. So what is the purpose?
To know the picture of the operation of the company.
Okay, you open the door. You go to the middle of the road. Wait for the car to come down. What's the audit? What's the purpose of audit planning?
To understand the entity, business environment.
Okay, same. Follow her. Follow him. You?
To know what's going on.
Same. I don't need to ask already, right?
To determine the management account.
Same. Yeah, everything there's a result. There's an answer one, This is not you say, or something like that. This is according with ISA what? I also don't know, something like that. Audit planning, huh? I think it's 200 or something. 300. 300. Huh? Sampai. Audit planning. The purpose of audit planning is?
Perform audit effectively and efficiently.
Understand? No, it's very simple. The sentence says that to perform an audit in an effective and efficient manners to achieve the audit objective. What's the audit objective?
To give opinion.
Oh, bagus. Yeah, to give opinions, true and fair, something like that. Simple only, simple. True and fair. Huh? So, audit planning basically is to effective, efficient audit. Yes, actually, how much time you think we spend on audit planning? Your side, basic job lah, normal, say 1 or 2 days. Big job? 3 days. 3 days. I think fairly to say that, generally speaking, we spend about 1 to 2 days. Okay, for audit plannings. For big job like LSL one, fees is very substantial. Maybe it's 3 days, thing like that. Because you need to run through by managers. Because in the past, always discuss with big fees. I always discuss with you on. So what if effective?
Great.
Huh? That's how you say, ma. Audit objective is to form our opinions. Efficient? Aiman? Efficient? Oh, very simple. This is effective if true and fair, right? Something like that, huh? Efficient is simple one. Recovery rate lah, your budget lah, your deadline, all these things, right? Recovery rate, budget, deadline imposed, right? So, how partners review APM? How partners review APM? I just want to see how partner. Because YC can say I'm not partner, but how I know Mr. Koh review APM? Huh?
Read the APM.
How? Trust me. If I got time, I will sit down with you audit planning one. If you cannot answer me, I will sometimes I will scold you lah. Right? What? How?
Like going through the APM.
And going through the APMs, APM, Audit Planning Memorandums, the queries lah, huh? I see.
Any last year SOF, any issue?
Last year's SOF, summary of findings, management letters. Where's he gone?
Go through the GL.
GL. Maybe lah, maybe. Sometimes I will go through the GLs. I need to go through director's accounts. Or maybe I go through a fixed asset. I think you did a company, right? They invest a lot of machineries, right? So I need to go through. For income, for tax purpose, for audit purpose. Right? So normally what I review, definitely I will go through this first. I will see last year got any issues. Okay? So I don't want to make sure this year they keep on continuing. Whether this is recurring or not. Okay? So of course then I will review your APM. Okay, normally I will review your your result, the P&L account, huh? Then I will do some, what is AR? Analytical review. I will see the ratios, all these things. Then any, say GP margin last year is 10%, how come this year has become 20%? Understand, no? All these things, I will, of course, all these issues will be raised out by managers. If they don't raise out these issues, definitely I will hantam them. It's not supposed to be happen one. Okay? Then, of course, last one, I will see the GL, thing like that. If necessary. Okay? If this is new client, I will review past prior years audited financial statement. Which report I will look at first on this audited financial statement? Aiman, which report? Which report I will, you nod your head, you say you know. Which report? Financial statement inside got many report. Which report I will find? Which one?
Independent auditor's report.
Auditor report. I always look at auditor report. Whether this is any qualifications, any emphasis of matters, all these things, very important one. Because auditor report. Next, you think I review what? Let me see. Trust me, I will review accounting policy. I will see their accounting policy. How they recognize lease. What's the accounting policy on doubtful debts, if materials. Yeah, this is my style. But every partners have different review methods. Accounting policy, of course, policy. Why I don't see or find it profit and loss and balance sheet? Because I can see from here, right? So let's say LSD, right? I don't mention the name of the company because okay, this company, normally face-to-face law. I always say that I always look at material issues which will affect my. I always ask these questions on. What's the material issues?
The material material level. The materiality level for this company is around 600,000. I think the most important is the inventory, because last year they have the issue like the cost is higher than the selling price. So this is one of the issue.
So basically, okay, very simple. I will ask materiality issues. I think it's very nice. She says materiality level is this amount. So stock is about this amount. This is material, especially last year's when cost is below NRV. Okay? NRV stands for net realizable value. I think when you study account, you know all these things shouldn't be happen. Right? Definitely we have to empower written down to market value, right? Something like that. So these are the issues. So normally I will ask, next question is how you handle this audit risk.
I will perform the NRV test and then checking whether this issue still have in this year or not. If yes, then ask the client any reason of selling price still lower than the cost.
Wow. This is audit planning. You don't come to my room, hee hee ha ha. You must know everything. Understand not? Remember? So, any other issues? So, I summarize again. Normally is. So, really, for I think Miss Lim, if I'm very strict during many years ago, I'm very strict in APM. I'm very strict. Very strict one. I can tell you the direct why client pass audit, client just journal adjustment this amount, end of balance sheet date. This. Okay. Material issues, materiality level. Understand? Risk areas, stock, inventory. How to understand? Because of course there are many other issues like inventory above, and not percent beside inventory. PPE, I think they invest a lot of PPE, right? PPE. So PPE definitely is above maturity level. So why is the audit risk?
Is the all the cost already taken into account, and then or whether they have over recognized the cost of the PPE? Because last year they got over recognized the cost.
So same. In the past, normally they will indicate the comings. Understand now? Because if the materiality, I will ask you, would you like to verify the assistance, right? How to assist normally is through physical sighting, right? So normally the audit program, they will say, the audit, you will say you will check the physical sighting of fixed asset, right? So, something like that, right? Any other things? Fixed deposit, no more already, So they use out all the FD. So I just cover a few issues only. So when I talk to you audit planning, you're supposed to talk to me like this. Understand now? Audit planning, the most important thing audit planning is to carry out the effective and efficient audit job assignments. Okay, what is effective? Meaning to form an opinions, true and fair. Efficient basically is the recovery rate, the budget, the deadline, all these things. So how I review audit planning is very simple. Basically, I will look at last year's SOF or management letters. Then I review the APMs. I look at balance sheet, P&L, AR, I will review GL if necessary sometimes. I will review first year financial prior financial statement if this is audited by others auditors. So this company, what is the audit issues?
Which my
Don't say the name of the company.
audit issues?
Yeah. So this company is
IHC.
IHC. Same. This is IHC company. What's the issues?
Regarding the rental income.
Rental income. So definitely, this company. I will ask you. Of course, IHC company is.
Rent income.
Huh?
Rent,
Rental income. And then we have section 60F. We have, what is section 60F?
Permitted expenses.
Huh?
Permitted expenses.
Permitted expenses. Oh, very good. We have tax rate. Tax rate? 24. Wow, that's not bad. Huh? And then we have. Then I'll ask you rental income whether they have a related party incomes or not. Okay? Whether they have TP issues because the revenue is 3 mil, right? Right? So all these things I will ask you on. It's up to you. So, you want to learn things, you do a proper audit planning. Understand or not? You want? So normally this is how I ask you when, because if you get a bigger assignments when they have multi companies, subsidiaries or sister company, then you have to sit down with all the person in charge together with managers and partners, right? Right? You experienced before, right? Then you have to talk about your audit plans, your budget, all these things, the issues, the deadline together. Then we set a deadline. So when we need to issue out, some auditors, some clients are not audited by us, subsidiary, and then we need to issue audit question S. Right? All these things we need to sit down. Okay? We are not a big company, but I'm still proud. Until now, we still do audit plannings. Understand now? Which I'm still proud of it. No, and we do full-scale audit planning. Understand? Great. If I really want to tarot you, I can ask a lot of questions on. Understand now? Because just now he did mention in the X company, big company, normally just print out the APM, right? And then straight away do field work already, right? There's not audit planning. This is for the sake of audit planning, do audit planning. Beyond audit planning, you need to do effective one, then you need to efficient. Understand now? You know? Now we have more time, then let's do a proper job. Let's do a proper audit jobs. We have tax planning, TPM. I think we are the first we have TPM. Maybe in Johor. Maybe the other time you do have TPM? No. Huh? You don't involve in tax. So when you do audit, you need to recognize the issues, things like that already. You don't wait until the audit done and then you talk. In this case, I can ask you a lot of questions. I can ask you, the addition of fixed asset, can it qualify for RA or not? Are they eligible or not? I can ask you one. With this addition of fixed asset, can it qualify PS or not? Under MIDA, is it a new product range? Wow. I can ask you one. within all these new assets, is there any withholding tax issues or not? When the overseas contractor go and commissions the installation of machineries. That's no. I can ask you one, many things on. Really, many things. It can be audit, it can be tax on. No, I don't review it because I trust my manager. Mostly they will cover substantially all the risk areas. But if I want to nasty, I can ask you a lot of questions on. Can they qualify for RA or not? You know the term and condition of RA? What? Understand? This is planning, not what you think. Understand?